sure, if you go quick. Oh, thank you so much, so much! Okay, make it quick. Thank you. Okay. Oh yeah. Work, stupid thing. Ooh, popcorn. Map. Everybody in? Sure. Alright, keep objects, paws, whiskers, and ears, except mine, in at all times. And that's right, I said whiskers, because there are cut of edges, and don't chew the edges. Oh, my mouth is bleeding a lot. Let's go. Hey! Shut up, David. Yeah. Oh. Oh, God. Okay. Wait. Okay. One at a time. Okay. Be nice. I need to go first. Bye. Bow chicka bow wow. That's what the baby said. Woo! Oh, that hurt real bad. It's opposed to ding dong. Nah. Hey, where'd he go? Hello? Wow. Okay. Now I need to find a map. Why? So we can know where we're going. Wait, there's a map? How interesting! Whatever. Okay, I'll read it. Okay, there's a map right here. Okay. Right. I know where we're going. You have no clue, don't you? How do you know? Because I don't. Give me the stupid map. Wait, you're not smart. Oh yeah, I'm not. Okay. Wow. You guys are emos. You're the one who's mean. Oh! Yes! I go back. Shut up! Oh, stupid camera thing. Okay. Yeah, we're lost. What? We cannot be lost. Let's just take a van and wander off. Hey, look it, a van's right there. Should we take it? Oh yeah. Let's take it. Oh.